Today, we will be talking about the endocrine system. Although we rarely think about the endocrine system, it influences almost every cell, organ, and function of our bodies. In general, the endocrine system is in charge of the body processes that happen slowly, such as cell growth. Faster processes like breathing and body movement are controlled by the nervous system. But even though the nervous system and endocrine system are separate systems, they often work together to help the body function properly. The foundations of the endocrine system are the hormones and glands. As the body's chemical messengers, hormones transfer information and instruction from one set of cells to another. Many different hormones move through the bloodstream, but each type of hormone is designed to affect only certain cells. The endocrine system is composed of the pineal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, adrenal glands, pancreas, and gonads. The hypothalamus, a collection of specialized cells that is located in the lower part of the brain, is the main link between the endocrine and the nervous systems. Nerve cells in the hypothalamus control the pituitary gland by producing chemicals that either stimulate or suppress hormone secretions from the pituitary. Although it is no bigger than a pea, the pituitary gland, located at the base of the brain, just beneath the hypothalamus, is considered the most important endocrine system. It's often called the master gland because it makes hormones that control several other endocrine glands. The production and secretion of pituitary hormones can be influenced by factors such as emotions and changes in the seasons. To accomplish this, the hypothalamus provides information sensed by the brain, such as environmental temperature, light exposure patterns, and feelings to the pituitary. Thyrotropin, which stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones. Adrenocorticotropic hormone regulates the endocrine activity of the cortex portion of the adrenal gland. Prolactin, which activates milk production in women who are breastfeeding. Growth hormone, which stimulates the growth of bone and other body tissues and plays a role in the body's handling of nutrients and minerals. The posterior lobe of the pituitary releases antidiuretic hormone, which helps control the balance of water in the body. The posterior lobe also produces oxytocin, which triggers the contractions of the uterus in a woman having a baby. The thyroid, located in the front part of the lower neck, is shaped like a bow tie or butterfly and produces the thyroid hormones thyroxine and triiodothyronine. These hormones control the rate at which cells burn fuels from food to produce energy. Attached to the thyroid are 4 tiny glands that function together called the parathyroids. They release parathyroid hormone, which regulates the level of calcium in the blood with the help of calcitonin, which is produced in the thyroid. The outer part, the adrenal cortex, produces hormones called corticosteroids that influence or regulate salt and water balance in the body, the body's response to stress, metabolism, the immune system, and sexual development and function. The body also has 2 triangular adrenal glands, one on top of each kidney. The adrenal glands have 2 parts, each of which produces a set of hormones and has a different function. Pineal body, also called the pineal gland, is located at the middle of the brain. It secretes melatonin, a hormone that may help regulate when you sleep at night and when you wake in the morning. In guys, the male gonads or testes are located in the scrotum. They secrete hormones called androgens, the most important of which is testosterone. These hormones tells a guy's body when it's time to make the changes associated with puberty, like height growth, deepening voice, and growth in facial and pubic hair. Working with hormones from the pituitary gland, testosterone also tells a guy's body when it's time to produce sperm in the testes. A girl's gonads, the ovaries, are located in her pelvis. They produce eggs and secrete the female hormones estrogen and progesterone. That's it for the scope of our topic. Hope you've learned something and enjoyed the video. Thank you!